What's that, Woody? All of your kids are feeling better. You and your wife are feeling better. Surely that means that you're in the clear. Nope. That just means that you might get a call from your oldest school to tell you that they ran into a pole and now they're probably gonna need stitches. Huge shout out to Woodrow's amazing teachers for helping him during this scary time for him, and especially a scary time for us. Miss Kathy and Miss Shavia, all the nursing staff and administrators at the school. Wow, you guys rule. We love you. So thank you for getting him through this. He's doing a lot better. And hey, you know what? I'm gonna let you talk to him, or let him talk to you right now. Woodrow, how you feeling?
Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty nasty spill, right?
What?
Let me show him your. God, for a parent, I gotta tell you, son, that's the hardest thing in the world for a dad to and a mom to
it's
hear.
Not really stitches. It's not really stitches.
Staples. Okay. Anyway, happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
We're gonna get some good rest tonight and have a great weekend, right?
Right.
What are you having for breakfast in the morning?
Pancakes.
Boom, every weekend, Mom's awesome pancakes. You know, unfortunately, we're missing out on my buddy's 40th birthday party. 40, which is pretty significant. You know, although I'm just saying I got a couple years until that happens, Jared. So it sucks because the reality is we can't be there to celebrate with him. But, you know, these kind of things happen and it stinks, but happy birthday, bro. And also at the same time that I was receiving that news, I was over at Clayton's house and he let me borrow the Mavic Pro. And so I got this sweet, sweet footage. Now today is Friday, and really, truthfully, that's just like any other day to me, except Friday night, which means I'm gonna spend some time with my darling wife. So that means today's video is gonna be extremely quick, but the good news is you're gonna have plenty of gratuitous drone footage, my first flights ever, and here it goes.